right here, Williamson County WMA Wildlife Management Area. San Gabriel River is up ahead of me as it goes into Lake Granger. But you can see through here, there's evidence. I mean, this is several hundred yards away, if not maybe a quarter mile away from the river and the parking area where you usually park. And there's evidence of river debris all through here. It's pretty incredible how wide the river got as it crested. But yeah, pretty crazy. You got debris everywhere. I mean, all on the fence. And like I said, we're still, several hundred yards away from the river itself. Still have standing water here on the road. Come on, Stevie, let's go. But yeah, so the water would have been, higher than the fence through here. Just crazy. You can actually see, it's probably hard to pick up on camera, especially since I'm using my phone. But yeah, there's like a debris line within the trees. You can kind of see the silt left over on the trees at a certain height. Probably looking at water that was close to 6 feet deep around through here. Just pretty hard to believe. But yeah, massive trees pushed in through here. And the water was absolutely moving through here on its way towards Lake Granger. Oh, real nice, Stevie. Heading to the puddles, I see. Yeah, look at some of the size of these trees that floated along through here. Crazy stuff. Come on. I mean, it just keeps going through here. It's amazing. Now, most of this water, well, yeah, most of it really came from the South San Gabriel. Lake Georgetown held back the North San Gabriel. They've started releasing it. So yeah, the majority of this water is from upstream towards Burnett County, or within Burnett County. Sorry for the shaky camera. This may be a long, boring video for some, but definitely trying to show the scale. It's just crazy how much water came through here. Stevie, come here. Hey, get out of that.